How to favorite gifts on Discord mobile. First of all, launch Discord app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Tap any particular chat where you want to send gifts on Discord mobile and then favorite it. Here, let me tap on the message icon or the section at bottom of the screen, and here you will see the GIF option on your chat section or the keyboard. So select GIF, and from here you can easily send any of the GIF that you would like to send on Discord mobile. So let's send it and tap on the arrow icon next to the message bar. When the GIF has already been sent, you need to wait for a while until it has been delivered to other person and then tap and hold the particular GIF. Here's the option to edit message, reply, mark on read, pin message, apps, save image, and many more, but there's no any particular option to favorite GIFs on Discord mobile. Simply what you can do is you can easily send the reaction, that is for now I have sent a heart reaction, but currently there is no any such feature to favorite GIFs on Discord mobile. If this feature is available on your region or on Discord, then you can easily favorite the GIFs on Discord mobile. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.